Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Gitea, Gogs, and Forgejo. In order to do so, here we are at gogs.io and we're also at forgejo.org and we're at gitea.com. And to do a comparison of the three, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Gitea, Gogs, and Forgejo are all self-hosted Git service platforms that provide an interface for managing Git repositories, but they differ in features, performance, scalability, and community support. Here's a comparative overview of each. Gogs is a lightweight self-hosted Git service that aims to provide a simple and effective way to manage Git repositories. It's lightweight and fast, designed for small teams or individual users. It has minimal resource usage. It's easy to set up and compatible with various systems, can be run with minimal configuration. It's very efficient, quick setup, and low system requirements make it ideal for small deployments. It's written in Go, supporting repositories in Git, and offers features like pull requests, issue tracking, and wiki. It has a smaller community compared to Gitea and Forgejo, but it is still active. Gitea originated as a fork of Gogs, specifically to add more features and improve community involvement. Its key features include a feature-rich with broader set of tools, including an integrated issues tracker, pull requests, project management, and CI/CD integration. It provides a user-friendly web interface and extensive API for integration with other tools. It supports organization and user permissions management. It has a strong focus on community-driven development with regular updates and a vibrant community. Although it's slightly heavier than Gogs, it remains efficient and performs well in medium to large setups. It's also written in Go and highly customizable with support for multiple databases. It has an active community with regular contributions and offers extensive documentation and support channels. Forgejo, finally, is a community-driven fork of Gitea that arose from the need to create a more open and decentralized alternative to Gitea, which has had some centralized control. Has similar features to Gitea, including issue tracking, wiki, and pull requests, but with a greater emphasis on community governance. Has open governance model that encourages contribution from multiple sources, and it aims to be a more modular and extensible platform, potentially allowing for custom plugins and features. It's generally similar to Gitea and focuses on scalability and performance. It's written in Go, benefiting from the same performance characteristics as Gogs and Gitea, has a growing community with a focus on inclusivity and transparency in development. Key differences: Gogs is smaller, has less frequent updates, and more of an independent project. Gitea has active development with a significant community, more features due to continuous enhancements, and Forgejo aims for a collaborative, community-driven model with shared governance. Gogs has basic functionality suitable for personal or small projects. Gitea has a comprehensive feature set catering to teams and larger projects with more plugins and integrations. And Forgejo is similar to Gitea with a focus on modularity and customization. Gogs has the lowest resource usage, ideal for smaller installations, and Gitea is more resource intensive but still efficient for most use cases. Forgejo is comparable to Gitea with optimizations for larger setups. In conclusion, choose Gogs if you want a lightweight and straightforward Git service suitable for personal use or small projects. Choose Gitea if you need a more feature-rich option with strong community support and regular updates. And choose Forgejo if you prefer a platform with open governance and the potential for greater community involvement in its development. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.